Hello everyone, it's Carlos Avalos here with NextHome Real Estate Rockstars. I just got back from my son's baseball game. He plays at Castaic High School. And I wanted to take this time to invite you all to tomorrow's open house taking place from 12 to 2. Yes, tomorrow Sunday from 12 to 2. Property address is 28632 Black Oak Lane, Castaic, California 91384. Property features 4 bedrooms with a loft that can easily be converted to a fifth bedroom, 2.5 bath, living space, almost 3,500 square feet of living space. It has a private pool, spa. There's a 2-story home with a 2-car garage with direct access to the property. The community has no HOA, no MELLO rules. Again, I'm going to be there tomorrow from 12 to 2. Don't miss this property. If you cannot attend the open house tomorrow but would like to see this property at a later date, no problem. Call me, text me, or send me a private message here on social media, and I'll gladly give you a private showing at a later date. Again, property address is 28632 Black Oak Lane, Castaic, California 91384. Hope to see you there, okay? I'll go ahead and put all the description under the post here. But if you have any questions, reach out. Take care. Be well. Bye-bye.